Okay, so this video is gonna look a lot like another one coming out soon because I'm filming an intro after I filmed another video. I completely forgot to film the intro, but you see that over there? That's my nightstand kind of thing. It's also like a chest of drawers, but that is going to be reorganized today. I bought some stuff for it. It's gonna be great. So I hope you enjoy as I empty out, declutter, and reorganize my nightstand.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need and you always be turning my sky blue. But maybe I can't get to you, so why don't you come to stay? Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Go and open the door. And I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want to show. The rain has been around for way too long. Cause baby, like, ooh, cause baby, like, cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day.
If you enjoy these decluttering and like organizing videos, here is a playlist of all the ones I've been doing so far, and I'm doing them all the time because I'm doing it to my whole room. So stay tuned and subscribe if you want to, follow along the progress. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.